How to fix Instagram message not sending. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can fix if you're not being able to send messages on the Instagram application. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now, Instagram application could be facing some kind of server issues, or it could mean that you're having the issues with your network connection, your device, or the Instagram app itself. We have to verify all of those. So first of all, just make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. The very first thing I want you to actually check is to whether or not verify the Instagram servers are down. In order to verify that, just go ahead and launch your browser. Once you launch your browser, in the search box, you just want to go ahead and type in "is Instagram down?" So just go ahead and type in "is Instagram down?" If you see a result that says Instagram is down, or if you see a certain spike in the number of reports from Instagram, it is most likely that the Instagram application is facing bugs, and you have to wait until Instagram fixes this themselves. The other thing you can do is you can just go ahead and then open up settings on your device. So go ahead and then open the settings application. Go to the option called apps. Once you go to apps, select the app called Instagram on this list over here. Tap on Instagram and go to the option called storage. Clear the cache if possible. Also try to clear the data. And another thing that you can also do is open your respective app store. If Instagram has fixed the bug, it's most likely that we need to update the application again. And in the search box, you just want to type in Instagram and check whether or not there is an update button there. If you do have an update button available, try to update the Instagram app to the latest version in order to see and verify whether or not the issue has been fixed. And if you're on Android, I can also suggest you an alternative solution, by the way, and that is if the Instagram application is still not working, you also have another version of Instagram called Instagram Lite. So just go ahead and download the Instagram Lite application. Most likely this also has as many features as the official Instagram version or the original one than the Lite version, but Lite version is also not really bad, so you can try to use this application if you're still not being able to find the option. Hopefully this video helped answer your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.